We'll guide you through how to zoom in Gmail to make reading emails more comfortable on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Once you're there, you can zoom in by using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows PC, hold down the CTRL key on your keyboard and then press the plus key, which is usually located next to the backspace. Each time you press the plus key while holding CTRL, the web page will zoom in a little more, making the text larger and easier to read. If you're using a Mac, the process is similar. Hold down the Command key instead of CTRL and press the plus key. To zoom out, just replace the plus key with the minus key while holding CTRL or Command. This method works on most web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. If you prefer using the mouse, you can hold down the CTRL key and scroll up with your mouse wheel to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. Another way to adjust the zoom level is by clicking on the three dots or lines at the top right of your browser to open the menu and look for the zoom option. Here you can click the plus or minus icons to adjust the zoom level as needed. Remember, adjusting the zoom level on your browser will affect not only Gmail but also any other website you visit, so you might need to readjust it based on your preferences. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.